It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. More than a man.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Young men don't know their 5 W's. One of the greatest crimes that society puts on young men is believing they know. We go through life with the attitude that we all have brains, so that means we know. If we didn't put anything into that brain, then they don't know. Everyone needs to be educated on proper human morality. We must be taught the do's and don'ts, right and wrong, moral compass. Moral compass, ability to judge right and wrong. Young men have no idea of their 5 W's that will help them succeed in life. Once they're given the opportunity to understand the 5 W's, the sky's the limit. They can now take on all that the world has to offer and overcome obstacles placed in their path. This can only happen if we prepare them with the knowledge of their 5 W's. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, why. Teaching young men their 5 W's will allow them to understand what it will take to succeed in life. It gives them a reality check on all the steps and development processes needed to accomplish any goal. They will also understand that there is a time factor in years to accomplishing the ultimate goal of self-realization. Self-realization, fulfillment of one's own potential. This is the best outcome for any young man to start off in life. We must give them the proper tools and knowledge to begin their journey through life. If we do this one thing, we can be confident that each young man will become a success. I believe the world will become a better place with this one change. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they bout to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.